Hey, how's it going? Steve Zanardi here at Treviso Realty. We're gonna take a look through the secondary amenity center here in West Village. Remember, we're gonna have 3 amenity centers. We have the main amenity center. We got one in the West Village, which is this building that's going up now. And then we're gonna have one in the East Village. This is why we love this community, because it's got so much to offer. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Remember, we're gonna have sports courts out this way too. There's already a picnic area, like a pavilion, which we don't have on the main amenity center, so it'll differentiate between the two. So again, I kind of looked through here briefly. This is going to be an office area. I'm not sure who's going to be stationed out here. Not sure. I don't know how that works. Maybe because it's the West Village, you might have one employee on this side and one employee on the East Village. Not sure. This is going to be a little fitness area here, very small, probably a few machines, typical like a hotel. And then you're coming down this corridor here, and you got your bathrooms. So just typical bathrooms, nothing really, or this is the mechanical room rather, and then the bathrooms are out this way. There's the bathrooms here. Yeah, typical bathrooms, nothing crazy. Saunas would be nice, to be honest. Steam room, something cool, but again, it is what it is. So let's have a look here. So this is going to be the big gathering area. I would imagine there's going to be furniture and chill out areas down here. And this is obviously a little kitchenette. We've got some blueprints here to kind of give you an idea of what's happening. So again, entry as we come in, you have that, you come in, you got your office to the right there. There is that sort of like that window closet. This is that little fitness area. Then you walk down this corridor. This was the mechanical room we walked in, and then you had the bathrooms. And then ultimately this is where we're at now. So we're actually at this point right here, the little kitchenette here. It's a full kitchen, and this is all the gathering area. So I'm not sure if they have the layout, how they plan to lay out furniture. They have, I think this is just architectural. Yeah, just architectural. But pretty cool. Let's have a look at the rear. So the pool's quite amazing. Again, we do a lot of business out this way in Southwest Florida, so we're in through a ton of the communities that are getting built. And this is a typical pool for a large community of 1,000 houses. And this is just a secondary amenities for us, which is amazing. This is why we love Verdana Village. Obviously, big bang for the bucks. This is like our big Cadillac Escalade, right? It's got everything you would need. So massive pool. And what I like too is little gathering areas, so people can kind of congregate and chill in their own little sections there. And then you got your lap pool at the back, which is quite nice. Someone wants to do laps. Then you still got your sun shelf here, so for the kiddos to chill. The parents can hang out too. So we have similar, or like a proper hot tub rounds, clearly like a little hotel. And this is cool too, picnic pavilion area. Obviously there's gonna be picnic tables in there. And there's gonna be sports courts down here. I would imagine soccer and stuff like that, and I guess football. But pretty cool, really excited about this. So we'll keep you posted. This should be done in probably another month. I mean, the landscaping, all this interlock, like the landscaping, all the pavers will be done. Like they're already flattening it all out. Probably this week they'll finish that all off. And I would imagine within a month it should be open. So we're June 2nd by mid-July, just similar to the amenity centers in 2023 when they opened up July 15th, right on my birthday. So I would imagine this will be the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day.